Hi there, it's Adam here from adaminsights.com, and I guess based on the title of this video, you know exactly what I'm about to do. So here is my brand new Mac Studio with the M1 Ultra. This one is as I said, it's the M1 Ultra model with 64 gig of unified memory, 1 terabyte SSD, 20 core CPU, 48 core GPU, 4 Thunderbolt ports, and 2 USB-A ports on the back, 2 more Thunderbolt 4 ports on the front, SD card reader, all of that stuff. So why have I got a Mac Studio? Well, funny story really. Last week when I was picking up my M2 MacBook Air, I kind of had a look at a Mac Studio. I thought, this could be nice. And I was talking to one of the staff at the Apple Store Rundle Place, and unfortunately they didn't have any in stock, and it was like a 9 to a 12 week wait currently to get a Studio. And I thought, oh well, I guess it's not for me. But a staff member phoned me up from the Apple Rundle Place store in Adelaide this week and said, hey, we know you were interested. We've just had a Mac Studio come in. It's not spoken for yet. Do you want it? And I just thought, yeah, stuff it. I've got a Mac Studio. So I'm really looking forward to playing around with this. I'm the first to admit it's probably way more computing power than I'm ever going to need for what I do. But I just enjoy having nice computers, I guess, in the same way as I like having nice cameras. So let's just get on to it. We'll open him up. Given that this is a $6,000 computer, I'm definitely going to be getting the Apple Care on this. It is actually really, really heavy as well, by the way. So let's just open it up. That's getting in the way. Yeah. So what do we got here? Designed by Apple. And I thought that was going to be a massive book like you would get with Macs back in the day. Oh yeah, we've got an Apple sticker. Big whoop. Okay, welcome to your Mac Studio. Yeah, nothing too exciting in there. I'll just put all of this back so that whoever ends up buying this off of me second hand in 3 or 4 years' time can enjoy the experience of unboxing it. I do like the new packaging that Apple's using. So, I guess this diagram means I just pull these off to the side. That's kind of cool. And wowzers, that is heavy. Let's just move that out of the way, and I'll put this down before my arm breaks. Okay. What else we got in here, actually? Oh, we've got the power cord. Sweet. Of course, you don't get a keyboard or mouse with your $6,000 Mac Studio. That'll be an extra $300 for the keyboard and an extra $110 for the mouse. Thank you. Good luck. Good job that I've already got them. So not too fussed about that. Oh, power cord is nice. It's braided. Feels nice. Okay. Cool. I guess that's one of the reasons why it's a super expensive computer. Fancy. This is very nice. This is very nice packaging paper. And it's definitely got that nice new Mac smell to it. The smell of a new Mac. It hasn't changed in years. So, on the back, we've got our 4 Thunderbolt ports, an Ethernet port, a power cable port, which I reckon is going to get Apple sued by Disney, a couple of USB-A ports, HDMI and headphones, and obviously the power button. On the front of this very heavy computer, we've got the power status light, 2 more Thunderbolt 4 ports and an SD card reader, and on the top we've got the Apple logo. Underneath, Mac Studio. That is what heavy is made of. That is possibly one of the most heavy computers I've ever held. Maybe it's just because it's so small and so heavy, but there you go. Anyway guys, that's the unboxing of the Mac Studio. I'm looking forward to giving it a try. I do feel a bit guilty owning it. It's way more computing power than I need, and there's plenty of people out there that could do a lot more with it than I will ever do with it, but well, this one's mine to play with.